Hello and welcome to Disabled and Prepping. I finally get to use the downstairs area, so it's easier for you guys to see me and see the items. So today, we got at the Second Chance grocery store in Oshkosh. They have Minute Maid smoothie. This one's peach for 25 cents. I got 2 of those. I got 4 sweet tea, Arizona sweet tea for 75 cents each. That was one of my favorite teas, by the way. I got the mayo ketchup for 95 cents. I picked up 2 of those. I have, for $1.75, I got Jolly Ranchers jelly beans. I was craving jelly beans really bad, so picked them up. Also, I have the Starburst for $1.05, the ice cream flavors. So the Starburst jelly beans. I picked up 4 of the Hershey Golds for 25 cents each. I did also pick up 4 of the Churro, I believe it's called, for 55 cents each. I picked up 4 of those. 4 different packs. So, and then for 55 cents, I got the Idaho Spuds Veggie Mash. I picked up 4 of those to add to my stockpile. Also, to add to my stockpile, I picked up the sunflower kernels roasted and salted for $1.75. This is 14.5 ounces. Grown and packaged in America, so that was cool. I didn't know that. Didn't see that. And I picked up 2 flour tortillas. I go through them pretty quickly, but not enough to buy even more. For $1.05, I picked up 2 of those for $1.05 each. And then these are the ones that I really scored a big price on. This Mucinex Fast Max, the severe congestion and cough, for $1.75. They want like $15 like this for this amount online, $15.77. So I only got it for $1.75. So I picked up one of those. They only had 1 of those, and then the Mucinex Sinus Max, the severe congestion relief. It's a little bit different, but I have 3 more of these, so I picked up 4 of them, also for $1.75. So that's my haul for this trip to Second Chance. It's like a Second Chance grocery store, so it's like discounted stuff. But it helps me out quite a bit. I never know when I'm going to get there, so I go not really with a list, but the things that I know that I would pick up if it's there. So that's what I got this time. Have a great day. Be blessed. See you again. Bye for now.